Good, good. Great, we always back and back again to this hotel, feels like home. The staff was really helpful and very polite to us. Thank you so much. Make sure that this is the hotel that we must stay at Dolio. Good, good. Good, good. Exceptional. Awesome hotel. I arrived slightly earlier than check-in time and was able to check in and go straight to my room. Bed was huge. So comfortable too. TV was fine and each room has its own Wi-Fi, so it was really quick. Only complaint about the bathroom was the shower could have been a bit better. More pressure would have been nice. Also wouldn't have felt comfortable taking a bath. Breakfast was free but there weren't many Western options. Cleaning was done nice and early so then I could relax. Great location across from the station. I never heard any trains. 100% would recommend this hotel. Excellent location opposite train station. Supper between 9 to 10 p.m. Good breakfast. Good location and clean. The location was good. It's just opposite the railway station. The toilet was so good and the commode got the heater. This is the good way. Smile. A++ business stay option. A professional reception. Affordable hotel. Good. Good location, friendly staff, clean room. Good location, friendly staff, clean room. Will come and stay here if come to. Thumb up. Excellent location and air conditioning. Water pressure for bathing is moderate, can be further improved. Very close to Yunlin train station. Comfortable and easy to access. Thumb up and highly recommended. Excellent. A very convenient location. Just in front of the train station. About 10 minutes walk to reach the market. Excellent approachable receptionist and very accommodating.